What's up friends, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you're looking to fix your printer's offline problem, this video is going to be super helpful. Usually, a printer goes offline due to an outdated driver, printer settings issue, or technical glitches with the printer on your computer. I will share 3 effective methods that would help you resolve the issue and get the printer working smoothly. You can call us at the numbers on the screen for a quick assistance from our experts. Alright, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Check Use Printer Offline is not selected. Click on the search bar at the bottom of the screen, type in Control Panel and then click on it. Once the control panel opens, look for Hardware and Sound and click on it. Now, select the Devices and Printers option. On the next screen, click on Printers and Scanners to see all the printer connected to your computer. Find your printer from the list and click on it. Scroll down a bit and click on More Devices and Printer Settings. You'll see your printer again. Right-click on it and a menu will pop up. From that menu, click on See What's Printing. When the new window opens, click on the Printer tab at the top. Finally, make sure Use Printer Offline is not selected. If there's a check mark next to it, just click once to turn it off and you're all set. If the first solution does not help in the fixing the offline problem, then follow the next method to ensure your printer driver is up to date. Also, let us know in the comments which printer you're using if you would like to see a separate video on it in the future. Method 2. Update your printer driver. First, you need to open the Services window on your computer. Once the Services page opens, look for Printers and click on the arrow next to it. Now, from the list that appears, right-click on your printer name and select Update Driver. Next, simply click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Your computer will now search for and download the latest driver if one is available. Still facing the printer offline issues? No worries. Run the System Troubleshooter to resolve any technical glitches with your printer. Also, if these methods help you fix your problem, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. Method 3. Run the Troubleshooter for your printer. Simply click on the Start button at the bottom of the screen and open Settings. When the setting opens, look for the left side and click on Systems. Now, scroll a little until you see Troubleshoot and click on that. Next, click on the other troubleshooters. Find the printer option in the list and click on the Run button right next to it. That's it. Windows will now scan for printer problems, if any. Just follow along with whatever it asks you to do and let it work its magic to fix the issue.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.